How to use the live news video overlay effect that can be found within the materials section of the YouCut video editor app. So if you want to create something like this here, let's go ahead and get started. To add the live news video overlay, the first thing you want to do is starting from the beginning of the timeline or wherever you want to start this overlay, just place it and it'll start from wherever the orange line is. Then in the top area with all the tools here, you want to go to where it says PIP. And once you select this here, you want to go now to where it says material. And as you enter into material, you will go to where it says green screen. So make sure you're under this category here. And now that you're in this section, just go down slowly and you're looking for this one right here. All right, it's about 18 seconds long here. And once you tap on it, it's going to appear like this here. And now that it appears on the video you are editing, keep in mind, one, this is only going to work best for horizontal videos and not vertical videos. So now that you have it like this here, while it's selected, go over to your right until you see fill right here and select fill so it can take up the entire video frame. Now the next thing you'll notice is as you play it, you're going to see this YouCut news. And I'm sure many of you may not want this to show up on the video you are editing. So what we're going to do is hold on to the green panel on the left side right here where my pen is right now. And we're going to bring it over until we trim off that YouCut part. So just kind of bring it until we reach like this here. And now we will make sure it's like this here. And while we have it currently selected in the set of tools up here, we're going to go back to the left or look for chroma. And once you see this circle here, just move it a little bit until the pick color becomes green. So go ahead and move that like this and your color will be green. And you want to strengthen this to at least up to 80 for the best possible results. All right, so it can be like that, around that. And now just go ahead and press the check mark. And what you'll notice is as you press play now, after you made those changes, you will see that it's going to have this live news vibes and this is going to be continued playing. Now, if you want to increase the duration of this live news here, as you select it once, just go ahead and reduce the speed, make it play a little bit slower than usual. That'll increase the duration for the best results possible. You can see it is increasing in terms of the total time here. You can see now it's up to 20 seconds. And this is going to be great for videos that are at the beginning or like a great intro. And then you'll notice now that your intro is going to be something like this here, right? So you'll see it's going to be a little bit longer and all that's going to happen. And then you'll get that live news thing to the bottom area. So it's going to make a great video overlay. And that's how you would go about using it, right? Like in some.